Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Charles Schwab beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.schwab.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you need to enter your user ID in the first field. After entering your user ID, proceed to the next field. Input your password carefully. Make sure both the user ID and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on that link to start the recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve your information. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click the blue login button. After a moment, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your user ID and password for accuracy. Ensure that your internet connection is stable if you have trouble logging in. Once logged in, you can access your account information and tools available to you. Take your time to explore the features on your account homepage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.